Question: is your manufacturing company ready to take on the challenges of the future, both short-term and long-term? Well, if you're not sure, think about these 3 facts. 1. The Olin School of Business has predicted that 40% of the existing Fortune 500 companies won't be in business anymore within the upcoming 10 years. 2. The average lifespan of an S&P 500 company has dropped from 67 to 15 years. 3. The power of computers, AI and robotics has doubled every single year and is planned to do so in the upcoming years ahead. All of these facts lead to one conclusion. If your manufacturing company isn't leading the pack, it's gonna get run over. As new technologies are being invented every day and new companies step up who know how to use this technology are ready to replace you. I am Luc van Enkhuizen and I do one thing very well. I help manufacturing companies making their transition into Industry 4.0. See, I know that the future is about robots adapting to people who know how to use them. Allowing people to focus to make huge jumps forward while machines do the grunt work. Because while the robots do the work, people can be dynamic, creative and passionate about what they truly care about. If your company is stuck and static and you're doing the same processes you've always done before, wasting massive man hours and getting nowhere fast, I can show you how you can automate many tasks and get the most out of your machines and processes, so that your people can create and innovate and have a better life-work balance. And your company can stay ahead of the pack and in the black. That includes producing better products at lower cost so you can compete with the up-and-coming economies and countries where the wages are ridiculously low.